Hey, it's Ryan Morris at Advanced RV in West Valley City, Utah. Today I've got a 2014 Coachmen Mirada. This is on the Ford V10 engine and chassis. It's got lots of storage. This one has bunk beds, outside entertainment. It's called a 35BH. As we come inside, you'll see the cockpit area. It has a bunk bed that comes down as well, which is super nice. This one, they've used it a little more than most others, and so the couch cushions are doing that. It's just a vinyl couch. This is not a leather, so they would need to be redone or recovered or put lots of blankets down. But this one needs a little bit more love, but it's also priced accordingly, and they probably would take some offers as well. Not too high mileage. I can get the mileage. You can find it on advancedrv.net, and you can see the exact specs on this. But it's got a bigger fridge, bigger microwave, stovetop and oven, double basin sink. And as you come back around to the back, it's got two bunk beds with some little TVs as well. This also has a little mid-bathroom here, which is nice. Hello, there I am. You can see the storage. I lifted this up so you can see the storage up under the bed. Storage here as well. Put this down, it might make a loud noise, but there we go. Okay, and there's the bed area. As you come around to the back, this is the bathroom. Full-size shower. There are some things, it's just some wear and tear. They got out and used this a fair amount with their kids, so it is definitely not perfect. There's a couple of things right there you can see, but still priced at book. And again, if you want to make an offer, you're more than welcome to make an offer and get a good deal on a motorhome. If you can just do a few things to the motorhome to touch it up a bit, this would be a gem. And I think it has under 35,000 miles on this. So go check it out, advancedrv.net. My name is Ryan Morris. You can also ask for Nick Smith.